What's up guys, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to delete your Artlist account. In order to do this, please take note that Artlist will not delete your account if you still have an active subscription. So make sure your subscription renewal has been cancelled, and once your subscription is expired, you can go over to this webpage help.artlist.io, and we'll be providing this link in the description down below. So what you need to do on this page is to click on the chat option right here, and this is because in order to delete your account you'll need to contact Artlist for this. So click on the chat icon at the bottom right corner, and then you can go ahead and make your request right here. Of course, if you have any email correspondence, you could also write to Artlist stating your intent to delete your account completely. Do take note that the deletion process is final and cannot be reversed. Do let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.